Hello, today is Tuesday, March the 19th. It's about 5:30 p.m. Pretty windy out here, but it's 38 degrees out. Yes, that's a boar, a Berkshire boar, 2.5-year-old Berkshire boar. I just transported him here in that with some 2-inch crank straps around it to hold it tight together while he was in it. And I just backed the trailer up. He was not accustomed to electric wire. He was in a pen outside all winter by himself. Which just made out of logs. And these girls, they don't know what to make of them. They're still trying to get used to them. But he learned electric wire fairly quick. He went and stuck his nose on there standing in that water, and he got a shot right quick. They've been playing this round and round Rosie here for a few minutes here. It's a Berkshire boar. A guy is renting a farm, and he has to be out by the end of the month. And how come you're drooling so much, eh? You guys are happily eating there, eh? What's the matter, girls and boys? Are you headbutting me? Oh. you're scared of them, eh? You don't know what to make of them yet, eh? He's a very timid boar, you know. What's the matter, big guy? Eh? He's very docile, eh? Yeah. Yeah. Eh? Yeah. What? Yeah. Oh yeah. What's the matter, eh? Hey, what's the matter? Are you guys being silly or what? Eh? Are you guys being silly? Eh? You guys over here are just taking life easy. Yeah, I got the water line fixed into the house yesterday because having to carry water all the way from the barn for the house use and for all the animals up here, plus the 2 new heifers. Was just too much for me. So I managed to jackhammer enough ice out that I was able to get under there, right to the black 1-inch PVC, or not PVC, black poly pipe, and take the stainless steel union off, 1-inch union off, which pushed down to 3/4 inch, and I took the end of the union off and brought it inside and soldered the 3/4 inch PEX connection onto it. There's our 2 girls. They're both pretty much drinking on their own. Number 35 was off drinking on his own within the first 5 minutes of the first feeding. 36 over here, which is bigger than the other guy, than 35. He still wants to play around, and he wanted to suck and suck and suck, and man, he got my finger in so deep in his mouth this morning, and boy did he bite with his back teeth down on my finger. Holy man, I thought I was going to pass out. It was bleeding like crazy. And they've been nibbling out a little bit of grain. I see they knocked their grain pail over again. Hey girls. And they've had a little bit of hay in there to munch on, right there. Hey girls. Hey. Yeah, 36 is bigger than 35, and 36 has been the more slower one to get drinking on his own. On her own, not his, because he's a girl. Both girls. Yeah, your poop's nice and tight, eh? Big poops too, yeah. That's good to see. Hey girls. So that's what's happening over here. The snow has been going down a fair bit, as you can see here. You can start to see around here in a few places. We've been melting. You see the water dripping from the roofs. The wind is a little chilly. Funny he wasn't chasing the other ones around earlier when I went in the house. He was busy chewing on the ground there. I think he just wants to say hi to them, but they just don't know what to make of him just yet. So they run away. They'll settle down. They'll settle down. Oh look, I got gravel showing through the driveway here. Look at that. Look at that, there's gravel showing through. What are you doing, big guy? Eh? What are you doing? Eh? What do you have to say for yourself? Eh? Eh? What do you have to say for yourself? Eh? What do you have to say for yourself? Eh? What do you have to say for yourself? Eh? Got a cut on his head, I guess. He was beating his head against the pallet there. Got a little bit of blood right there. He was beating his head against the pallets in the truck there, trying to rip them up when he was in the back of the truck. Or in the trailer, I mean. What are you pushing me around for? Eh? What are you doing pushing me around? Eh? What are you doing pushing me around? Eh? Yeah. Yeah, he's pretty timid for a boar. But he got zapped in that water hole there. Yeah, he's 2.5 years old. He wants me to take his sow too. But right now his sow just had babies a couple of weeks ago. But he has to be moved out by the end of the month, and he wants me to look after his babies and stuff until they're old enough to go. But we'll see, I don't know. Now you can see where he had blood on the end of his nose there, and he was trying to lift this pallet up, but I had these big 2-inch straps, crank straps, holding it tight. You can see some blood there, and he had blood on the end of his nose. I could see in the rearview mirror he was trying to lift this pallet. He was trying to get his nose under here, and he was pushing and pushing and pushing, but I had these 2-inch crank straps strapped down so tight that there was no way he was going to get that out of there. That's the last of my firewood. Okay guys, just thought I'd show you the audition there now today. Have a great day.